What the hell is this, bro?
This is what we call a red light therapy mask. Something you
Yeah.
would know nothing about.
No, because I'm not a Californian nutcase. Foreman knew instantly what it was.
I did know.
He said, "Oh yeah, they sell those at the gas stations in California." All right, Hannibal Lecter, give me something good.
I will. I'll give you something good. It's not LinkedIn though. Instagram story strategy. I got it right here. Have you seen the Instagram story templates?
Instagram itself has story templates now?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm not using it.
Social media guy here, huh? You know about Instagram story templates?
Well, I don't do Instagram stories.
All right, so look, right here. Can you see these?
Yes.
These are genius. There's a girl named Delaney Burgess. She created a very simple Instagram story template. Name, age, service location, so where she does business, years in the business, brokerage, previous job, favorite car snack, so that's a little play on, make it a little personal, something you can't live without at a showing, and then she says tag 3 realtors in that state, or tag 3 realtors in another state. So she got referral partners from this, and about, I don't know, I saw probably 100 agents, to extreme exaggeration, I saw maybe 5 agents use this Instagram story template. So what agents should be doing is creating Instagram story templates like this that have little, personality quirks. It's kind of like a get to know you thing. And then also other agents can use that template, so you're going to get followers and referral partners from it. I just found out about this last week. It's genius.
Is there CapCut has all those templates. Is there like a hub you can go through all those templates?
So you go to your Instagram story. You go to create. Yeah. And I haven't done this yet, but Luca, you and I could create funny ones.
Okay.
Like we could create viral Instagram story templates that people use. So you go to create mode, you click that little box right up here.
Okay.
And then there should be add yours templates, like right in the middle there. And you could create a template. You go next, and you could add images and text or whatever you want, and then people can start using this template.
Oh yeah, add your template right here.
Yeah. So we could add funny templates, like how many times you've thought about doing anything.
Oh my gosh, the possibilities.
Possibilities. And it's so genius for agents to say tag 3 other real estate agents because then they're getting tagged. It's referral partners. It's talking about what market they're in.
I dig that. You instantly front ran me because the first question I was going to ask in my template was how many times have you considered doing OnlyFans?
Exactly.
So
exactly.
This man knows me by now.
Hey everyone, Luca from Actually Agents here. Just wanted to take a quick second to bring your attention to an amazing opportunity we've secured for the Actually Agents community through our partnership with BAM. If you use code ACTUALLY on the website link in the description, you'll gain 10% off to the BAMX training platform. It is jam-packed with courses, information, ebooks, scripts, and more, all specifically designed for the modern real estate agent like yourself who's ready to commit to their craft and 10x their business this coming year. Remember, use code ACTUALLY. It's 10% off. The link is in the description. Thanks so much for your support.
I have to commend you on this. So you doing these Instagram lives before every Discord to get people in is genius. So I just did one 5 minutes ago. I didn't want to take away any thunder from this. It was a quick one with Dan O'Neill. But, I don't know, 200 signups to the BAM Pro Bowl from doing this. Like, the fact that I haven't been using mini chats on Instagram Live, there's no better time to sell on Live. If you have a buyer guide or an ebook or a lead magnet or a lead page, and you have a good setting, or you could put on a stupid mask or something like that as the hook, and you name it something really engaging like you always do that mentioned you. I know we've talked about this before, but in 200 signups to this thing, I'm fucking fired up about it.
What'd you use for your title?
Huge announcement.
Really?
Yeah, I said huge announcement. I just sat there in this mask for a little bit. I said, comment the word pro, pinned it myself, the mini chat, 200 signups.
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling the Instagram lives convert. I think we average between 40 and 50 per live. And even if they don't make it here to the mastermind, we get them in the ecosystem.
Another thing I highly recommend, in email blasts, recently started sending emails with a little intro at the beginning as opposed to just links, and like making it way more personal. And we're getting a way better click-through rate by introducing the email. I've seen Coffee and Contracts do this with their content drip email or their coffee drip email, where they just give you a little preview of what's to be expected and the value before they start plugging their links. So if you have a very link-heavy email about your new listing or your YouTube video or whatever, give a little intro and a little insight and maybe tell like a little story that day or something. I think it gives it a little bit more personal touch. This one today, note to our BAM readers, listeners, and followers, when something isn't working, we like to evolve and change it up. That's why we're constantly experimenting with different post styles, whatever. So I just gave people like a little insight into what we're doing, BAM, and then let them know that we changed up the show. Here's another one right here. In today's value-packed email, then I gave the bullet points, and then I said, and of course, make sure you scroll all the way down to RSVP to our upcoming free events, the Lead Gen Challenge and the BAM Pro Bowl. It would be a fool's move not to sign up. And then you have our links and everything. Then we have BAM Bites. So in case you don't want to click on these links and go to external links, we give you a little bit more information. Is bite size right there. Then we have our BAM events, and then yeah.
Love it, man. Good nugget, Eric. Thank you.